What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music lab with a banger, you know, people. Yeah, man, people, and you see what I did? Yo, that mafia, see what I did with today? Yo, we're back in the music lab, you know. Yo, and we got, yo, that one, yeah, man, we back in the music lab with the artist here. The artist here, man, we rate over here. So, you see me, there's a young upcoming dancehall artist. He's been doing his thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yo, we know him from such collab with the cars such as Rum Do It, Bad Juvie, your father, you know what I'm saying? We talk about Pablo YG back at it again. Look like him drop a EP, guys. Look like he drop a EP like a few days ago or so, or a week ago or so. And you see me, and we're gonna check out one of the tracks. I believe this is one of the tracks off our EP. This is called Richer and Richer. I check it out too in my deal with guys. Let me know if y'all want to see the EP reaction. We can do the full album and full EP reaction. So let me know in the comment section. We can get it done. You don't know we do it over here. So yeah, man, Pablo do him thing, man. Yo, we read Pablo, you know, Pablo YG, dog. And what they dog, they are the pan. Let's be honest interview and all them things. You see me, Pablo YG definitely are doing thing, dog. You see me, a real dope young artist, man. I mean, hope dog keep doing his thing and shoot for the stars. You don't know. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, man. So we don't hold up the vibes much longer, man. We've been listening to the tracks off of this. You know, this is the audio. This is the lyric video, but we been react to the EP. So let me know what y'all want to do. You see me, I haven't listened to no EP yet, but me very much interested. So this is the first track I'm gonna check out. I jump right now and I roll up the vibes. So this is Pablo YG, Richer and Richer. Let's get it.
Yo, Papi. Richer, even care who want richer me.
Ooh, like the intro there. Ooh, that intro there is hard, bro. And I think Kraft was like promoting this song on his live one time. You see me, like he was showing off a song. Yo, Kraft be supporting his like Kraft and Pablo YG be supporting each other. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, the intro to this is crazy. Like I like the intro to that. That song like well mixed. You see me?
Richer,
definitely
bitch. I coach by me garment.
Man say rich and switch ya bitch. Yeah, you mean, man? Hey.
Richer. I gym run badness, me I tell about. Extension clip, me I tell about run. Have couple dark, them dark night on. Me killer them out, night coast, night on. Miss father YG, me I tell you. YG badness, me I tell you about now. Couple 19, copper then I run.
Oh, so it's on the same beat as Valiant's brand new beat from Panama. But yo, this is hard. I like this. I like Pablo. This is Pablo version. Yo, you see me, Jim Brown badness, me I tell you about. Yeah, why? Yeah, I like this.
My only 19, but Juventus.
Only 19.
Richer, and if you care who want richer me.
Yeah, facts.
Richer, bitch.
That's a fact. Richer. I'm not care who richer me. That's a fact where I shoot for our riches, our goals. You don't care what over that's how I do. You see me, rich and switch ya bitch. That's a fact.
Rich and switch ya bitch. I coach by me garments. Richer, me still a chop fraudulent fees. Me dog them rich in high ski. Have couple gal a pick up brick in high state. Them a fish in high place, them fi go down high sea. Young millionaire, couple brick in high sea. If not stop them
fish in high place, them fi go down high sea, man. Thing I do over here, so you mean, man.
My dog out in high sea. This the family, you pick up couple 9 grand. Yeah. Wake up spinners with a brick in high sea. Richer.
This the family, get couple grand.
Richer,
Right, bro, I like the hook. The hook of this is so dope, bro. This song, bro, I don't care. I think this might take over Valiant song, you know, bro. Real shit, this might be better than Valiant.
Richer, bitch. I coach by me garments. Richer, if you care who want richer me. Rich and rich and rich and rich and rich and switch your bitch. Rich and switch your bitch.
Me no keep, yeah, man say rich and rich and rich and rich and no care who rich and me. How you mean, my youth in no business just try to make food cheese, food bread, food slice of cake. We no business about fear, we not watch for your pocket. You see me? What you eat don't make me shit, you know what I'm saying? So me now watch over this, brother. You see, keep we hype on food thing over here, so you see me?
I coach for me garments. Rich and rich and rich and rich and me rich and rich and money enough you fuck. Them leads at the fire enough for boss. Me not get rich, I say my client have for true. Me charge him $3 and put a higher chop for roast. A dial run, true. My dog not get the dial for pose. Been a stay in me.
Dial run, cho. We not get the dial off the pose around here, dog. If you do the hey.
Tell me now go dead for now. Get the leads, we lock in with countless bitches. Tell her Bob if you count these bricks. Rich and rich and rich and
get the leads, lock in with hey, countless bitches.
Rich and rich and rich and rich and
tell her Bob really
switch your bitch. Rich and switch your bitch. I coach for me garments. Rich and
easy now, man. Robo boo boo. Do the thing, easy now. Pablo, bro. If this is all the rest of the album is, you did great, my G. You did great, my G. A Jambisco send you. I haven't listened to the rest of it, but I hope if the rest of the album's like you did great, man. This song right there so mad. You feel me? In my opinion, why you shouldn't have held on to this song this long. See, if they drop this when Valiant they have brand new beat, I'm pretty sure this would have take the beat. And this is what people would have been singing over that. Brand new beat from I'm still a violin today. La, la, la. Yeah, that's cool and all, but man, I tell you, if they drop this the same time, this would have take over, bro. Big man thing. This is a bigger song than that. Me not lie to you. You see me? You shouldn't have waited too long for drop this.
rich and 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 even care who are rich and rich and rich and rich and rich and rich and switch your bitch. Rich and switch your bitch. I watch for me garments. Rich and rich and rich and rich and rich and rich and
I have to drop a video for this, G. I have to drop a video for this, Pablo. If you're watching this, man, you gotta drop a video for this. No, not later, man. Rich and 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 me care what rich and me. I don't care, my own. Rich and rich and rich and switch your bitch. Hey man, that's dope. That's a dope ass song. I really that I get add to the playlist for sure. You know what I'm saying? That going straight to the playlist, man. You know what I'm saying? Pablo, you're doing your thing. Bad Jovi, young Jovi, you're doing your thing, my G. You know what I'm saying? And you're only 19, bro. You got your future brighter than this, my G. Just keep on making this quality music. You and craft apart. I'm see you got the same creative mindset. You see me on the beat choice and them thing that are gonna understand subject matter. Just keep doing the thing, man. You know what I'm saying? And they can't stop you, man. Big man thing. Keep doing the thing and they can't stop you. You go. You go far. You 19, bro. You got so far to go in the game, bro. You got so many years to come, bro. Imagine when you had blood clean 30, 40, nigga. You got 20, 30 years in the game, nigga. Why? Money and bread are go long, brother. Keep going, dog. And you only can get better from here. You see me? Just pay attention, pay attention to the fun and stay relevant and just do your thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Sky's the limit, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Real dope track from Pablo. Yeah, man, that was Richer and Richer. Yes, me by Pablo YG. Guys, let me know what you think about that one. And know the deal. If you like it, definitely go show the artists and love and support. Make you know, say Jambisco dance. Send you. Make you know, say we're strong over here. And that mafia, I don't know where we're going. Strong over here. Appreciate the love and support. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep dropping your comments, man, and sending your requests. And if your request is shown, you don't know, I'm gonna give you a shout out like always. You don't know, guys. And yeah, man. Let me know if you want the album or EP reaction, man. We get that done, man. This is a damn vibe. There are more lives coming, guys. I know I've been slacking with the lives lately, but more lives coming. You see me? We definitely go. Trust me, the vibes and energy. I got a lot of stuff planned over here, man. You see me? So stay tuned. Yeah, man, guys. And you don't know what time it is. That was Pablo YG, Richer. You see me drop a comments, let me know what y'all think. If you like that one, you don't know, guys. And you don't know, it's boy Jambisco out here and I hit and smash out. Banger! Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.